For my country, women and men are equal there. I can say that because they stand together, they pray together, they pray everywhere. But in government, they have a 30% in government. But there are ministry there, women ministry there, they are there. We have 4 ministry who are women.
For example, in society, about girlfriends and marriage, arranged marriage or something like that?
Yes, this one it is still there. Family can arrange this guy for this girl. They can marry. When you refuse, they can do something bad for you, but you will be not good in society. If you refuse, what parent suggest to you.